Have you ever wanted to own one of the best sports cars of its generation? Well, Bridge Classic Cars is giving you that chance, as we're giving you the chance to win our 2000 Lotus Elise Series 1. Viewed by many as the purest analogue of the three Elise generations, the Lotus Elise 1 cemented its name in sports car history as the covers came off it at the Frankfurt Motor Show in 1995. Our model is finished in this gorgeous dark blue, and it has been enjoyed and adored by its previous owners with lots of documentation of specialist care. With its 1.8-litre four-cylinder engine, this lightweight sports car can go from 0 to 60 in just 6 seconds. So if you would like this Lotus Elise Series 1 on your driveway, then head over to the Bridge Classic Cars website today and get yourself a ticket.